Welcome back to another episode. Today we just got this tiny home and we need to get it finished. So I know a lot of people said they want to do a tour in the inside. So I want to take y'all on in with me. So let's take y'all inside. Okay, welcome in, y'all. Mind y'all, it's a little dark in here. We don't have any lighting set up. So where I'm standing now is where the kitchen is supposed to be. Right here probably gonna be maybe like the living room area, maybe. I don't know. And then the coolest thing that they put in here is this wooden stove area all right here. Now, the petty motherfuckers done cook everything the fuck out, so they got to put all in, as you can see down here. All of that. I'm gonna give y'all a little zoom in tour of everything at the end. But as y'all can see, the crazy thing is, snip the wires. And I mean on everything, look. On everything. Everything. Like them wipers like that. Why would they snip them wires like that? Crazy. Let me take you on the bedrooms. Okay, so this is bedroom number 1. As I told y'all, I got this shed from a shed company. So they usually sell you the shell, but sometimes when people don't pay, they'll come take your shit like a car. See, and they don't care what you did to it, baby. It belongs to them, and they're going to get done what they need to get done with it. So I got this shed for a really good deal. And as you can see, the last owner knew he was getting repo, baby. He the motherfucking split this door. And I mean split it. Okay, so, but besides that, this is one of my favorite rooms. As you can see, I love that all the outlets is in here, all the lights. Like, I really love this room. This can be a whole bed of space. That could be a bed right there. They put a recessed lights in here. They still got some of their design plans on the wall. Like, I really like this though. You can tell they're living in here because, baby, the walls are dirty. Or they're using it as a storage room. I don't know. Got a free bed. Like, it came with a lot of materials. Oh yeah, it came with a lot of materials. So I'm assuming, I haven't been up there yet. As you can see, they cut the staircase. So now we're gonna have to wait and see what's even up there. But I'm sure it's pretty nice up there. I see some, what is that, flooring? It's just so much stuff up there, I don't even know. I'm probably be happy because that's probably the rest of the materials to finish some of this stuff off. Besides the shit they fucked up. So let's go to, this is like the second bedroom. I'm going to take y'all to the master room. So this is a pretty big space. Like, I feel like you can get a king bed up in here, okay? This is a lot of space and I love that. But like I said, they did majority of the remodeling. Now, they came in and they did fuck some shit up. Now, this is where the breaker box closet is too. As y'all can see, cut all that up. So this all gonna have to be redone and redid, but it's okay. It all can get done. All of it. I like this room too. I like that it got 2 windows in this room. Make it more open, airy. I'm probably nothing too crazy. Let me show y'all. Because I kind of want some more windows. Yeah, like right here. This is what I was talking about. This would be like the living room area. I'm assuming like a little couch go right here. That's what I'm assuming. And the TV go right. I just don't know. It just need to be all mapped out. So once I get a pencil and a piece of paper, I'll be able to figure this out for real. But I'll probably want to put a window right here. Just to open up the living room a little bit more. Maybe put a window on this back wall too, just to open up the kitchen too. So it could just be a little bit more, some lighting up in here, okay? But you see the other rooms got light because they got windows. But I'm glad the bedrooms, the bathrooms, and stuff got lights. So let's get that pencil and that piece of paper I was telling y'all about. And let's draw a plan. Because you gotta draw out what you want. If you don't get like a vision, it's like elementary school. It's like you being a dreamer right now. So you need to get the drawing, marking out sizes, where stuff gonna go, so you know what fits, what don't, what you need, and you can start buying stuff. So let me show y'all how I'm gonna draw on my plan. Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, I'm about to draw up my plan. So I need one big old square in the middle. Leave some room in the back. Leave some room in the front. So I know where I need to go with this. Okay. One big square. Now, I'm going to have my door. I had to use the other paper as like a little measure. I have my door right here. That seemed like the middle to me. The door pretty big. So then I'm going to draw the inside. Got the fireplace right here. And you got like a room. I'm gonna be able to make everything that big right here. Okay, so now that I gave y'all a full tour of the inside, let me show y'all a little tour of the outside too. Let's just give y'all all the raw and the dirty. Okay, as y'all can see with the outside, this is the outside door. I plan on getting a real residential door added on eventually, but for now, it got a good lock on there. It locks, it screws. You really can't kick it in, hopefully. I got regular residential insulated windows. I love that. My shed don't even got that for my weed bar. And this is the walkway. I'm gonna get all of this fenced off right here. Okay, and then this is the outsiding. This is the bedroom window that was in the inside. This one don't got no screen on it. I realized. No. I had a contractor come by today, my contractor friend. And I'm like, oh my God, I got an outdoor shower. Y'all, why was I thinking this was the shower? This is the vent for the toilet. We have an outdoor setup. But motherfucker, this wasn't what I thought it was. But it's not bad. We're not gonna complain. Now, this is the outside of it. So. Now, I love the metal. If you can see, it has a metal roof. The best thing to get, because you ain't gotta worry about shingles and stuff. And then over here, it needs to be clean and cleared. I'm gonna put a little walkway over here to walk to the back, block the back off, set up all my stuff over here. I just gotta get my land clear. Now, don't be like me and get something delivered and you didn't get the land clear. I just wanted it so bad, and it was honestly like it was a repo, y'all. So who wouldn't buy this?
I said I'm geek and I'm fired up. All I want is not just get higher. Tell you look so good, it's to die for. That pussy good, it's to die for.
It's some secret society. All we ask is strive. All we got is love. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty.
Getting them. My resume is real enough for 2 millennium. A better way to make a way, start defending them. I meditate and moderate all of my wins again. I'm hanging on the fence again. I'm always on your mind. I put my lyric and my lifeline on the line. It ain't no limit when I might shine, might grind. You rolling with it at the right time, right now. Only for the dollar sign.
Bad girl, leave it now. First, leave it now. On your pulse like a CDM. Gas in the bitch like a premium. All last on the bitch, all in the fast lane. Been a bad bitch, looking for in the cash game. I'm established, and the carrots on my name, run the atlas. I'm a natural, I'm a
savage, I'm an asshole, I'm a king. Shimmy out, right. You can tell your nigga he can meet me outside. You can babysit him when I leave him outside. Ain't no other love like the one I know. I done been down so long, lost so. I done came down so.
Now, friend, I ain't telling you you gotta go home, but you gotta get the hell up out of here. Now, if you want to see the next episode, just comment part 3. All right, but you gotta go. Bye.